people, so here's a circle theorem question. P, Q, and R are points on the circumference of a circle. Here's the circumference with a center of O. PR is the diameter of the circle. ST is a tangent to the circle. Remember, tangent touches the circle at one point, at the point R. Angle QRS, so we go QRS, okay, is 58 degrees. First question, work out the size of angle QRP. Okay, let me go over to here. Work out the size of angle QRP. Well, what's angle QRP? Let's draw it in. So this is Q, this is R, and this is P. So it's asking you for this angle in here. So that angle in there. To do that, whenever you're doing a circle theorem problem, first think about, okay, what pieces of information do I have? So in this diagram, I've got a diameter. If I've got a diameter, I've also got a radius. I've got a tangent. I've got a semicircle, sort of. I've got a triangle in a semicircle. Then have a think about, okay, what pieces of information do I have that really correspond to this question? Well, it's the size of angle QRP, okay? So angle QRP, the tangent's right there at R. The radius, or the diameter, also is there. We're trying to find this angle in here. Now, I've been talking about radius tangent a bit. Radius tangent theorem, what do you know about that? Okay, maybe this would be helpful. Radius tangent theorem. So first think about what possible theorems do I have that would work. Radius tangent theorem. Okay, what does that say? Well, it says that the angle between the radius and the point of contact of a tangent to a circle is 90 degrees. Okay, radius tangent theorem. So let's try part A. Okay, work out the size of angle QRP. Well, we know the size of angle, what do we know? We know the size of angle PRS, don't we? The size of angle PRS equals 90 degrees by the radius tangent theorem. Okay, cool. I'm just going to put T for theorem. You'd write it out in test. But I'm going to run out of room anyway, so I'm not going to write any more than I have to. Angle PRS is 90 degrees. Now I also know that angle PRS is going to equal, what's it going to equal? Well, it's equal the sum of two angles, isn't it? It's going to equal the size of angle QRP plus the size of angle, what's the angle actually that we're given? QRS. Okay, angle QRS. Okay. It's just that. It is. Therefore, angle QRP equals, well, what does it equal? Well, you just rearrange this equation. Angle PRS take angle QRS. So that's actually going to equal 90, 58, which equals, hopefully I don't get this wrong, 32 degrees. Okay? First part of the question. Not that bad, is it? Yeah? So how did we do it? Well, we thought about what pieces of information do we have? Radiuses, tangents, semicircles. And then we thought, well, what does actually relate to this specific question, this specific angle, angle QRP? And we go, well, right there at R is that little radius and that little tangent. So probably something to do with that. Okay, radius tangent theorem it is. What about the second part of the question? I'm going to just erase the rest of it. Work out the size of angle Q, P, and R. Okay, what did I say this angle was? I said it was 32 degrees, didn't I? My brother was interrupting, but I'm going to keep on recording this video. Okay, this is 32 degrees here. Thanks for the light entertainment. His name is Michael. Okay, this is 32 degrees. In here, let's do that neatly, 32 degrees in there. Okay, now we've got to think about what is the size of angle QPR. Okay, so we've got one piece of information about angles. We know that bit's 32 degrees. To find any angle, we really need, in a triangle, we really need two other angles, don't we? Because we know that the angle sum of a triangle equals 180 degrees. So that's one piece of information we know. But to find one unknown angle, we really need two other angles. So can we get a piece of information for another angle? We go, okay, yeah, we've got a diameter, we've got a semicircle because we've got a diameter, and we've got a triangle in this semicircle. So that should ring a bell. Angle in a semicircle is? Angle in a semicircle. And you might have a more official name for this theorem, but something like that. Angle in a semicircle is 90 degrees. Okay, so therefore I know that angle RQP equals 90 degrees. Okay, I'm going to call that angle in a semicircle. Okay, then I also, so therefore I can say, okay, angle, what are we looking for? QPR. That's an R. Angle QPR is going to equal 180, take angle RQP, take angle QRP. Why? Well, that's the angle sum of a triangle, isn't it? Angle sum of a triangle. I know that angles in a triangle add up to 180 degrees, okay? So that's just going to equal now 180 take RQP, which is, did I say that right? RQP is 90, I did, take 32, which is going to equal 90 take 32, which is 58 degrees. Okay? Simple. That's the answer to that question. Not too bad. Enjoy.